Hi there, welcome to How to Install Zone. I'm Sarah, and today we're diving into installing Syncler on your Fire TV for 2025. This app is all the rage for streaming free HD movies, thanks to its fast links and zero buffering. Just a quick reminder, always pair it with a VPN and stick to legal sources for your safety. Let's get started with the sideloading process. First, head to Settings, then My Fire TV, and find Developer Options to enable unknown sources. Next, install the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store and launch it. Type in the code 250931 and hit Go to access the TroyPoint toolbox. Scroll down to find Syncler 2.0 and download the APK. Once downloaded, install the APK and hit Done to save some space. Now open Syncler and register at login.syncler.net using the app code. Don't forget to add your debrid service like Premiumize in settings, and you're all set to start streaming.